Welcome back guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Don't you forget that. Check out my Periscope, it's great. Another roof today. Since I'm already up here, I was trying to locate it. I figured I'd do my intro up here. So, came up the front of the house, front side of the house, boo, 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 boo. And dryer vent is right here. Now, hopefully this won't shut off by doing this, but I want you guys to look in there and hopefully you can see. I'm not sure if you can. But you see the screen that's in there that's falling back in? I don't know if this is going to show up on the GoPro, but nonetheless, again guys, new roof was put on about 3 months ago. Well, she said a couple months ago, so I'm not really sure, but roofers, take the screens out of dryer vent roof caps. Come on, you're costing these fun. So of course what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go inside, turn the dryer on. We'll take a look behind the dryer, and I'll show you that, and let's go from there. All right, walking into the laundry. Not too bad. Let's look behind. No, that's not that bad. I'll be replacing that flex regardless because it's old. Old. So, let's get to it, guys. Time dry. Add time. Let's get to it. Boom. All right, you may not believe this, guys, but the dryer is running right now, okay? Let me see if I can get you in here close enough to try to get a reading. It's gonna flip it upside down. I can't. It's not gonna read right here, but either way, we're about 2729 miles per hour, guys. Watch this. All right, first things first, guys. Got to remove this screen. It's got to go. You cannot screen it. Look at what? Look at that. Look at that. Just by pulling that screen. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. Yeah. All right, guys. This one's gonna be good. Let me get set up. All right, here goes nothing. We're getting better. I don't know how much is showing up on camera, but So that was all the way in. I don't know if I like this airflow yet, guys. That's strange. I was expecting more to come out of there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna take my blower, of course, pull the dryer, put the blower in it, and turn that puppy on, and let's see what we blow out. Turn off. Let's pull this machine out, guys. Not too bad, but you see, it is a gas dryer, not electric. So that's good. Cheaper these days for sure. All right. I'll be back. You guys got to see this. So you see what a screen does? Let's see if I can get you guys inside of that machine. Oh, come on. Go the right way for me. Wow. Look at that. All right. Jeez Louise, dude. Like I said before, guys, I'm replacing this flex, but take another look at that. Your dryer can't breathe like that, guys. This is part of the reason why I was getting 2.9 miles an hour on the roof. All right, and like normal, now, excuse me, now I've brushed it. I'm gonna put some high-powered air through it. Electric leaf blower, not gas. I'll put gas fumes in your home. But what you wanna do is, you wanna go ahead and have the blower running, okay? I don't know if you can see, probably not, but you have it running and you don't plug it in yet. Put it in there just like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the dryer back. Dryer's gonna hold it in place. Then once the dryer is holding it back, I'll plug it in. All right, guys, if you've made it this far, I can't thank you enough. I appreciate it. Consider hitting that like button for me. If you're not subscribed, definitely please consider that. It doesn't send you emails and all that. It just helps with the algorithm, and it tells YouTube, you know, maybe their content is worth others seeing. So it helps a lot. Thank you. Now I'm gonna push this back to hold it in place. Plug it in. All right, let's go. Beautiful ladder ride for you guys, only the best, you know. All right, let's go. Oh. Now, granted, that's with the leaf blower in there, okay? That's not with the dryer running. So just keep that in mind. But now I know that regardless, that's a clean, unobstructed flow of air. All right, so now pull this out. Always be careful of that gas line, guys, if you're working with a gas dryer. All right, so you can see nothing much to it. Good clean transition. Kaboom, boom, boom. All right, only thing left to do now, turn the machine on, get back on the roof, check that airflow. Time dry, add some time. Did y'all hear that? The dryer's just cleaning itself out. Let's go check it out. Here we go. All right. Now, thing to do, turn it on. Well, hey, the wind itself is blowing 1.3. Heck, that's half the airflow we had to begin with. Was it 10.3? Yeah. So we went from 2.8, 2.9 to 10.2, 10.3. Say that's a little improvement. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Again, Steve with Al Metal Dryer Event, almetaldryerevent.com. Check out the website, guys. But yes, check out the website. But if you made it this far, I definitely appreciate you guys. Again, please like, share, subscribe. I don't even know what that notification bell thing's all about. I don't know. Everybody says it. So, hey, will you hit the notification bell too? I don't know. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Event. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.